Please. 82K feature. Please. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Breathe. I got the system on King Kong. Two-seater, only bad bitches ride along. Condo got a furnace, bought it fully furnished. Celebration blunt, flick your lighters and we burn it. Bitch named Sherry, type that you a Mary, but I kick her to the curb. A vicious vocabulary, got more homes than Larry, and I'm young so it's scary. No pens or pencils, solid gold utensils. Backpack full of demos, packed up in a limo. A nigga getting cream till he cremated. Gold plated and she do it if I say it. Spot get infiltrated, I pop the infiltrators. Fuck a motherfucking traitor with my trainer eating Trader Joe's. And he getting money so we trading hoes. And these niggas just be biting. No writer's block cause I block writing. And I'm smelling like Perry Ellis. Jewels make them jealous. Jewels make them jealous. Jewels make them jealous. And I told her that my homie got the jug. She asked me if I'm cool, girl, I'm coughing cause it's good. I never try to be lyrical. Smoke a bowl, then I eat a bowl of cereal. Smoke my weed, and then I get to thinking. Drinking Moet under a Monet painting. And she don't even notice it cause she so high strung. If she was a ladder, she would be the 9th rung.